What is going on, guys? So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to create your own CC from scratch. Many of you have been asking how to create a CC, and in this video I'm going to show you the basics. Before we continue, you actually need these plugins that I'll be using in the video. So if you see some plugin that you don't have, make sure you download them and you follow the tutorial. So without wasting your time, guys, so let's get into the video. So okay guys, we're in After Effects and this is my clip here. I've already used topaz on it already, so all we have to do is to create a new adjustment layer. We want to save this as a preset, so next time we don't go back to all these steps again. So this is my adjustment layer. So the first thing I will do is to add my samurai. If I turn it on, you can see some details. If I turn it off, you can see the details is gone. So I'll be using the samurai plugin, then I'll add my on sharp marks, so you can see more details, and this is too much, so we can turn it down to like 15, and we turn this to also like 60. And right now I'm going to use the magic bullet looks, so I'll use my looks. So I'm using the latest version of Magic Bullet. You can also use any version if only you have Magic Bullet installed. If you are having the older version, you can still follow along because most of all the settings are found in all versions. So what you have to do is go to the look and make sure you make it a duplicate. So I'll duplicate it like 3. Now let's start working on the first one. Let's turn off this. So on the first one, we'll go to edit. So in Magic Bullet, we will have some looks here. You guys can try every look here, and you just have to make some little adjustment in case it's too much. So with this, I'll go to my looks here, Blockbuster Warm or Blockbuster HDR, any one of them. You just have to go through them and see the one which look best. So I'll go to my Blockbuster Warm, then I'm going to choose this here, and I'll just hit on OK. And we have this here. We go to our strength, gives like 80%. Then we now go to our second looks, turn it on. Then we go to edit. So with this, we go to our two-step process. We'll select this, then we go to our strength, and we're going to turn it down just a little bit here, increase the exposure compensation. Then we'll go back to the tools, then we'll also go to spot exposure, and we send this here, then we increase the stops. If it's too much, just go to the strength and just turn it down. So I'm going to turn it down just like a 55, and we'll hit on OK. We're not done yet, so now let's go to the 3, turn it on, and now let's go to our edit. So from here, go to the Mojo 2, select this, go to our Mojo, turn it to 0 or increase it just a bit here, and try playing along with the tint, and increase the punch, and also try the exposure is too much. Let's go to 0.20 for the exposure. Then we'll go again and go to our channel mixer here. Then let's play with the channels here, the red. So if you play with the channel, this is what you're going to get. So if you want this type of looks, you want looks like this, you can try, but I don't want this, so I'll just play along with this. So I want to gain this type of looks here. So I'll go for something like this. So we're going to get something like this. Then we'll go to then we'll go to our tools, then we'll go to optical diffusion, then add your optical diffusion. You can go, make sure you go for the extreme, so you get the best out of this. And you can also increase the density, or if it's too much you can reduce it. So let's add a little bit of density, and the size, reduce the size just a bit here. And the glow, you can add some little glow to this. Let's turn down the strength and hit on OK. So you can see from here, this is what we started with, and this is the little settings we did, and we can see some changes here. If you see that you're okay with this, you can just save it as a preset. All you have to do is just select all this settings here, just select it, hold Ctrl A to select everything, then you go to animation, then you go to save animation preset. So actually this is how you guys can actually create looks for yourself. So thanks guys for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, you like my video, give me a comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.